It's pretty obvious that not a lot can be done with the standard size sheets of 1220 by 2440. Obviously, we must cut the material in order to fabricate. We'll show you how. Now, there's two ways to go about this. You can either use the panel saw, or the jig, circular saw, or Dremel. The panel saw is the ultimate way to cut, but your local plastics company should definitely have one of these. And the others are just simple saws, except for the jigsaw, which uses a vertical blade instead of the rotary blade. Now let's get going. Grab yourself some safety goggles, use a sharp blade at a medium to high speed, and make sure the material is correctly supported and aligned to prevent drooping. Now, just a few more things before we get started. Clamps are recommended when using a jig, circular saw, or Dremel, and be sure to leave the protective masking on to prevent scratching. And now, we'll perform all 4 cuts using the drill types that we've covered. Hope we could help, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. So